Hey, we're now in Pennsylvania. We're near North Philadelphia. We're nearing Philadelphia 30th Street Station. As we're on train number 663, the Keystone Service, heading west to Howardburg. We'll be getting off here at 30th Street. Once we get off, the train will continue west as it heads towards Howardburg. We're in cab car, or Metroliner cab car number 9638. As we head south towards 30th Street Station.
I wish I would have gotten you another one. I don't think that was enough.
So please enjoy, sit back and enjoy the ride as we head south to Philadelphia.
But I can't hear you much. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah, this feels like it's raining up there. I can't really do anything outside anyway.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that, folks, about that. Crossing the Scoldville River.
Hey boys, we're here.
We're now approaching Philadelphia 30th Street.
Is this where we're getting off to?
Oh, there's a truck. Yeah. This saw trolley. Central Philadelphia. Okay. Almost. Like.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, our next station stop will be Philadelphia's 30th Street Station. For those passengers continuing on to Paoli, Exton, Downingtown, Parksburg, Lancaster, Elizabethtown, Middletown, and Harrisburg, please take this time to locate your ticket receipts. If you decide to step off the train, this train number 663, will depart Philadelphia at 10:55. For all others, remember, today is National Train Day. We hope that you partake in the festivities in Philadelphia. We hope that you enjoy all that we have to offer. Today is National Train Day. We hope you have enjoyed your trip.
Already boxcar.
On behalf of the conductor and the entire crew, thank you for choosing Amtrak. Philadelphia will be next.
and give me your cell phone again. For some reason, it's keeping me using your cell phone. This is the end of the video. We'll be now taking ready to get ready for the festivities. So thanks for watching and enjoying this ride on Amtrak's Keystone Service, train number 663 from Princeton Junction, New Jersey to Philadelphia 30th Street. Thanks for watching.